Study in the online classes of Gangotri EBS, Mahannagar, Dhanusa School, and we are going to study today science of the first chapter of class 8, that is measurement. Now we are going to discuss about the measurement. First of all, you should understand what is measurement. Measurement, if you go to any shop to buy any things or any materials, you need a measurement. So measurement is very essential in our daily life also. So first of all, you should understand what is measurement. The comparison of an unknown physical quantity with a non-standard quantity means थाहा नभएको वस्तुलाई हामीले थाहा भएको वस्तुसँग जब तुलनात्मक गर्छौं त्यसैलाई नै so of the same kinds is called measurement. Measurement means the comparison of an unknown physical quantity with a non-standard quantity of the same kind is called measurement. Now measurement is also essential in our daily life, and essential you can tell, or importance also you can tell, that when you go to buy or sell the things, you need a measurement. When you take a medicine, when you go to the hospital also, doctors give you a medicine. They also, it is used to make also medicine is also used to make quantity. Now to make a food also we need a measurement, as well as in the scientific research center also they use measurement and make a chemicals. In the same way, now we are going to study about the physical quantity. Physical quantity means that those quantity which we can measure on, which can be measurable, that is called physical quantity. Now examples are already below given here: mass, length, time, temperature. These are the examples which can be measured. Now non-physical quantity, you know that those quantity which we cannot measure, those quantity which we cannot be measurable, such as love, angry, kindness, happiness. These are the examples of non-physical quantity. Now we are going to study about the physical quantity. There are two types of physical quantity. One is fundamental quantities and that is derived quantity. Fundamental quantities means that those physical quantity which do not depend upon other quantities, एक अर्कामा डिपेन्ड नभएको, like हामीले fundamental quantities भनिन्छौं. We can tell that fundamental. Such as examples are given here: length, mass, time. They are not dependent upon other. Now we are going to study about the derived quantities. Those physical quantity which are dependent on fundamental quantity means that derived quantity are dependent upon the fundamental quantities to find. So they are called fundamental quantities. Suppose that area, you know that area, to take out the area they needed length and breadth, means they are depend upon the length also. No, so they are called derived quantities. Next. Now unit. Unit is ekai. In Nepali we call them ekai. Unit means the standard quantities with which we can carry out the measurement of any physical quantity of same kind. Means in this also standard quantity is also carried out with the measurement with a physical quantity of same kind. Physical quantity means that which we can be measured. That is called unit. There are two types of also units. One is fundamental units and there is a derived unit. First of all, you should understand fundamental units. In the same way, they are independent. They are dependent upon themselves. So they are called fundamental units. And they are not dependent upon other units. So they are called fundamental units. And there is a derived unit. Derived unit means the units that are derived with two or more fundamental. It is dependent upon the fundamental units. So they are called derived units. It is dependent, but fundamental unit is not dependent upon other units. So derived units, there are examples also given here: joule, Pascal, watt, Newton, etc. They are the examples. Now next. Now here we are going to study about the standard systems of measurements. Means standard, there are 4 standard systems of measurement. One is MKS system, CGS system, FPS system and SI system. You know that SI system, MKS system. First of all, you understand MKS system. Means M means, you should understand M is meter, K is kilogram, S is second. But you can define it as we here, the system in which length is measured in meter. Means length is measured in meter, mass in kilogram and time in second is called MKS system. In CGS system, the system in which length is measured in centimeter, mass in gram and time in second is called a CGS system. Now you should understand FPS system. FPS system means the system in which length is measured in foot, mass in pound and time in second is called FPS system. In same way, now we are going to study as, you should know that in international way, in international they are using MKS system. Now SI system is that in order to create uniformly in measurement of system all over the world, a common one was developed which is known as SI system. SI system is used all over the world commonly to develop SI system. But in the world, the MKS system is used widely. Here are some 7 fundamental units of SI system. These are the physical quantities which are used in the fundamental 7. They are length, mass, time, temperature, electricity, intensity of electricity, amount of matter. And here already I have given the fundamental units. What are the fundamental units of length, meter, and this symbol is m. Same as mass. Mass means kilogram. The fundamental unit is kilogram and the symbol is kg. Time. Physical quantities time is fundamental unit is second and symbol is s. In the same way, temperature fundamental unit is Kelvin, symbol is K. Electricity. The fundamental unit of electricity is ampere and the symbol is A. Intensity of electricity. Fundamental is candela and the symbol is CD. In the same way, amount of matter, the molecular fundamental unit is mole and the symbol is MOL. Now, importance of SI system. And you know that SI system is why it is importance. It is provides uniformly in measurement throughout the world, so it is importance. Another ways to exchange the goods or the material or anything, SI system is needed. So importance of SI system is already given below here. Now mass. Mass means in Nepal you call pin. Now mass, the total quantity of matter contained in a body, the total quantity which contain matter, that is called mass. Means the total quantity of matter contained in a body is called mass and its SI unit is kg. In the same way, weight. Weight is dependent upon the gravity of a body. So you can define as here the force of gravity on a body is called weight and the SI unit is Newton. In the same way, the length. Now, length means to measure any two places, distance between two places. Means the distance between any 2 points is called length. Means suppose that here from Man to Jonapur you can call, that is measured in length. So the SI unit is called meter. Now time. The interval between any two events. Interval between two events what is called that events means just one period. Your classes period started. It is started at 7 o'clock and ended at 7:40. That is called interval between two events is called time and the SI unit is second. Now solar day. Solar day means the time taken on by the earth to complete one rotation, or takes one rotation in one day is called solar day. That is, one day means in one day there is a 24 hour, and 24 hour is multiplied with 60, then minutes, and minute again we multiply 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We all multiplied, then it comes 86,400 seconds is come, and 1 second is called the part 1 by 86,400 part of the solar day is called 1 second. Now area. Area means when we take out the area of our rooms also, the surface occupied by an object is called area. Means the area of our room we take out, and which is the SI unit of area is meter square. And you know that area is measured by using the formula. Here I have already identified some formulas. Area of a square is equal to L square, area of rectangle L into B, area of circle pi r square. And you know that area of irregular object just to irregular, it's do not have definite shape and size. The area is measured with using graph paper. Now volume. Volume means that the total space occupied by an object is called volume. The its SI system is meter cube, and volume of regular object is also measured by using formulas are given here. Volume of cube is equal to L cube, volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. In the same way, volume of a sphere is measured 4 by 3 pi r cube. And the irregular object is measured by using measuring cylinder. Now gravity. You know that the gravity means the force that pulls a body towards its center of the earth. Earth is called gravity, and its SI unit is Newton. Now acceleration due to gravity means that the freely falling any object influence towards the gravity of the earth is called acceleration due to gravity, and the SI unit its unit is meter per second squared. Thank you. Our class 8 first chapter measurement is ended, and here are some give reasons you can include in the books also. Okay, so thank you. Sir.